Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one website. It's called rapidtags.io. So it will help you create various tags and keywords in YouTube for your videos. It will help you grow better in YouTube. It is all your one website solution for YouTube video SEO and channel automation. So it will show you. I'll show you how it works. So let me show you. You have to put the title of the video. Let me say that drone footage. Site. So if I put this, these are the keywords that is generated. I can copy it and I can paste this in my YouTube tags. So in this way you can use it in various websites. They can also generate TikTok tags. So mostly it is used for YouTube. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.